Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand 7-segment LED display. The 7-segment LED display is the output device that is used for displaying alphanumeric characters. So, it is an output device that is used for displaying alphanumeric characters. If we say alphanumeric characters, which means it can display both alphabets as well as numbers. That is why it is known as alphanumeric. It consists of 8 LED segments as shown in this figure. 7 LEDs are used for displaying alphanumeric characters and 1 LED is used for representing decimal point, as you can see in this figure. So, it consists of 8 LED segments in which 7 are used to display alphanumeric characters and 1 LED is used to display the decimal point. So, LEDs are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and also the decimal point is represented as DP as shown in this figure. So, LED segments are named from A to G, which are used to represent alphanumeric characters, and also it is named DP to display the decimal point. These LEDs will turn on accordingly to display a number or a character. So, these LEDs will turn on depending upon the number it has to display or the character it has to display. So, this is the example of how LEDs are turned on to display different numbers as well as the alphabets. For example, to display 4, the LEDs F, G, B, C will turn on, as you can see in this figure. So, the number 4 will be displayed. In the same way, to display number 3, the LEDs A, B, G, C and D will turn on. So, to display the number 3. In the same way, to display the alphabet D, the LEDs B, G, C, D and E will turn on. So, in the same way, to display the decimal point, as you can see in this figure, the LED DP will turn on. So, all these 8 segments should be connected to one port of processor or controller for displaying the alphanumeric digits. So, all the 8 LED segments needs to be connected to one port of processor or controller for displaying the alphanumeric digit. There are two configurations of 7-segment LED display. First one is common anode configuration and second one is common cathode configuration. In common anode configuration, anode terminal of 8-segment LEDs are connected commonly, and in common cathode configuration, cathode of 8 segments are connected commonly. So, based on these configurations, the anode and cathode is connected to the port of processor or controller port pin. So, in common anode configuration, anode of 8 segment LEDs are connected commonly, and in common cathode configuration, cathode of 8 segments LEDs are connected commonly. In both the configuration, segment A is connected to least significant port pin of microcontroller and DP is connected to most significant port pin of controller. Segment A is connected to least significant port pin of a controller and segment DP is connected to most significant port pin of controller. So the current through each segment of LEDs can be limited by using current limiting resistor that will be connected to anode or cathode depending upon the configuration. So current through each segment can be controlled using current limiting resistor that will be connected to either cathode or anode depending upon the configuration. For common cathode configuration, anode of each LED segment is connected to port pin of the microcontroller to which the display is interfaced. And in common anode configuration, anode terminal is connected to 5 volt supply and cathode of each LED segments are connected to port pin of the controller. In common anode configuration, for LED segments to turn on, the port pin for which the cathode is connected should be logic 0. These 7 segment LED display are popular for low cost applications like monitoring devices. This is about 7 segment LED display. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.